In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very pretty bun stick using fabric and some oxidized charms and jhumkas and thread beads. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. Use a moon-shaped cardboard piece and cotton fabric and fabric glue. Apply the glue along the edge of the cardboard and stick the fabric on top of it. Then we will turn upside down and cut the shape of the fabric in the shape of the moon with some extra fabric. We will cut the extra portion in small portions and then stick the small portions to the cardboard using fabric glue in this manner. So fabric base is ready. We will make another such fabric base and paint on it. This is completely optional. I have just made random shape or symbol on top of it. Taken 3 eye pins cut in small pieces with loops on top of it. Apply the fabric glue in the back side of the moon and then stick the eye pins on either side of the moon and also at the bottom portion in this manner. Stick the other half of the moon, other face of the moon on top of the first face and let it dry out completely. After that, we will take our jhumka and join it to the lower portion using jump ring. In this manner, close the jump ring with pliers and then we will attach jump ring on this side. Close it with pliers and take another jump ring and join the to the first jump ring and close it. Do the same thing on the other side also. Now we will take an eye pin, pass it through the hole of the bun stick, pass thread beads, bend it and then close the loop after passing it through the charm at the top side. So the bun stick is ready. I hope you like this tutorial. This is really easy and very pretty. You can wear this in Durga Puja or sell this. So like, share and subscribe.